Why your body wash is making your body acne worse. If your skin is breaking out in body acne and feeling dry and tight at the same time, that is not two separate problems. It is one problem, and most likely the cause is your body wash. Most people think acne means oily skin and dryness means dehydrated skin. So how can both happen together? But the truth is, body acne and dryness come from the exact same thing: a damaged skin barrier and a stripped skin microbiome. Today I'm going to be explaining why this happens, why most body washes actually make it worse, and what kind of body wash actually helps break this cycle. Why body acne and dryness happen together. So first, let's talk about body acne. Body acne is bacterial, but your skin naturally contains millions of bacteria already. That is normal. Your skin has something called as a microbiome, basically a community of good and bad bacteria living on your skin. When your microbiome is healthy, the beneficial bacteria keeps the acne-causing bacteria under control. But when the balance gets disrupted, the acne-causing bacteria overgrow. And that's when body acne starts. And at that exact same time, your skin's barrier gets weaker, which is why your skin suddenly feels dry, tight, itchy, and irritated. So acne and dryness are actually connected. Why most body washes make it worse? Now here's where the problem starts. Most regular body washes contain sulfates like SLS or SLES. These ingredients create that super foamy, squeaky clean feeling. But what they're actually doing is stripping away the natural oils and bacteria from your skin, both harmful bacteria and protective bacteria. For the 15 to 20 minutes you're in the shower, your microbiome basically gets wiped out, and then your skin tries to rebuild itself. But harmful acne-causing bacteria recolonize faster than the beneficial protective bacteria. And because sulfates also damage lipid barrier, your skin loses moisture faster too. In fact, the lipid barrier actually takes 24 to 48 hours to partially recover once it's been stripped away. And then most people respond by using an even stronger body wash. And that just restarts this cycle. Why antibacterial soaps can backfire? One of the biggest mistakes people with body acne do is switching to harsh antibacterial soaps, because antibacterial soaps don't selectively kill only acne-causing bacteria. They kill everything. So now your protective bacteria is gone as well. And without that protective bacteria fighting with harmful strains, the acne often comes back even worse. And that's why switching to an antibacterial body wash or soap is one of the most counterproductive things someone with body acne can do. The dryness connection. Now let's talk about the dryness side of this, which is directly connected. Every time your skin barrier is stripped, whether it's from sulfates, antibacterial agents, or just hot water, it becomes less efficient in retaining moisture. And body acne is inflammatory. So when you combine inflammation, dryness, and barrier damage together, you get a cycle that almost no harsh body wash can break. The fix is not a strong cleanser, but a smarter one. The microbiome approach. So what does a microbiome-friendly body wash actually need? First, plant-derived surfactants instead of harsh sulfates, so that your skin gets cleansed without being stripped. Second, an ecosystem of food and resources for the good bacteria to thrive, known as prebiotics and postbiotics. And this approach is what actually makes sense for body acne and dryness together. WATERLESS formula. Another interesting thing is the formula base. Most body washes are 60 to 80% water. So the active ingredients are actually heavily diluted. But a waterless body wash replaces water with functional ingredients instead. So every drop of the product is actually doing something useful for your skin. More concentrated microbiome support, no water filler, just active ingredients from the first to the last drop of the product. So one body wash that uses microbiome first approach is Hibiscus Monkey Cardamom Zen Probiotic Body Wash. It is India's one-of-a-kind probiotic body wash made with proprietary prebiotic system. Instead of 70% added water, the base is Himalayan apricot oil and aloe vera. Then it uses a prebiotic system. It also uses plant-derived coconut-based cleansers instead of sulfates, so it cleanses without stripping. And ingredients like clove oil and black pepper extract target acne-causing bacteria while still being microbiome conscious. The fragrance is also not synthetic. The scent naturally comes from cardamom, clove, and black pepper botanicals. Realistic results. And just to be realistic, no body wash can magically cure your body acne overnight. but changing your cleanser can help break the acne dryness cycle. Most people notice the dryness improving first because the stripping stops almost immediately, and the body acne usually starts visibly reducing by 4 weeks once the microbiome gets balanced. Now moving on to some frequently asked questions. Can I use it for sensitive skin? Yes, it's dermatologically tested for sensitive skin. Question number 2. Is it suitable for very oily skin? Yes, it's non-stripping and pH balanced. Stripping your skin actually causes your sebaceous glands to compensate by producing more oil. This doesn't do that. Question number 3. Does it lather? It does, but it's a soft, creamy lather, not that aggressive foam. When you use it, you'll feel how thick and concentrated the texture is. You don't need jar like that of a detergent powder for your skin. That kind of jar comes from harsh surfactants like SLS and SLES. Question number 4. Is the scent strong? No. No synthetic fragrance. Just a gentle natural aroma from cardamom, clove and black pepper. Question number 5. Is it safe during pregnancy? It is dermatologically tested for sensitive skin, but during pregnancy, always check with your doctor before introducing any body care product. If you've been dealing with body acne and dryness at the same time, your body wash might genuinely be the missing piece. So try this one instead. The Hibiscus Monkey Cardamom Zen Probiotic Body Wash is available on hibiscusmonkey.com, Nykaa and Amazon India. If body odor is also something you're dealing with, we have a video on that too, using the same product. Link in the description. So yeah, that's pretty much it, and I'll see you guys in my next one. Bye guys.